Welcome to our overview of hazardous, special, and universal and other types of waste. Today, we'll cover various waste categories, their definitions, regulations, and pollution prevention opportunities. Disclaimer: this module contains references to waste streams regulated by state and federal agencies. The information provided herein is not intended as guidance and should not be relied upon as such. For regulatory and compliance assistance, please consult the appropriate agency contacts. Please note that the information in this module is accurate as of its creation date. We will start by discussing hazardous waste, then move on to Iowa's special waste and universal waste, and finally explore some P2 and source reduction opportunities for these waste streams. Hazardous waste, as defined by the EPA, is waste with properties that make it dangerous or capable of having a harmful effect on human health or the environment. In Iowa, hazardous waste regulations are overseen by the EPA. The Resource Conservation and Recovery Act, RCRA, outlines the criteria for determining if a waste is hazardous and provides guidelines on its handling, storage, and transportation. Other regulatory bodies like DOT, OSHA, the Nuclear Regulatory Commission, NRC, and NIOSH also have specific rules for hazardous waste in certain situations. Waste can qualify as hazardous in two ways. 1. If it's listed on one of the EPA's published lists, K-List, F-List, P-List, U-List. 2. If it exhibits characteristics of ignitability, corrosivity, reactivity, or toxicity. Hazardous waste generators are categorized into three classes: large quantity generators, LQG, small quantity generators, SQG, and very small quantity generators, VSQG, based on the volume of hazardous waste they produce. Each category is subject to specific regulations and requirements regarding the handling and disposal of hazardous waste. Iowa special waste refers to non-hazardous solid wastes that could still pose a threat to the environment or health due to their quantity, concentration, or other characteristics. These wastes often require special handling and disposal methods, making landfill disposal difficult and expensive. As a result, P2 solutions for special waste generation have an added financial incentive for implementation. Universal waste includes commonly generated hazardous waste items like batteries, mercury lamps, mercury-containing equipment, pesticides, and aerosols. The EPA has streamlined management standards for these wastes to facilitate easier handling and disposal. Universal waste generation does not count toward hazardous waste generator status. Now let's explore some pollution prevention opportunities. 1. Source reduction, using less or non-hazardous alternatives, reusing materials before discarding them. 2. Use optimization, maximizing paint transfer efficiencies, optimizing production runs to minimize waste. 3. Solvent substitution, analyzing viable green alternatives that meet performance criteria. 4. Avoiding unnecessary contamination, implementing solvent recycling, considering alternatives to paints and aerosols. Various resources are available to help with hazardous waste management and P2 opportunities, including internal company resources, trade associations, chemical vendors, and EPA programs like Safer Choice. To recap, we've covered the definitions and regulations of hazardous and other wastes and explored numerous P2 opportunities. Now let's test your knowledge. 1. What are the two ways a waste can qualify as hazardous? A. Listed on EPA's list has hazardous characteristics. B. Listed on DOT's list has hazardous characteristics. C. Listed on OSHA's list has hazardous characteristics. D. Listed on NIOSH's list has hazardous characteristics. 2. What are some key considerations when looking for less hazardous solvent substitutions? A. Performance criteria. B. Cost. C. Current hazards. D. All of the above. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies in our upcoming videos.